Good evening, America. My name is Dale Earnhardt, and we have a very serious matter to discuss. We have to pick a new track president. Will it be Crash, or will it be Ricky Bobby? Well, we're going to hear some of their thoughts, and you have to pick a winner. How about Crash? You go first. Let's hear some of your ideas.
I will make the track better. I will improve the burn and upgrade the jump for more air and more time to do freestyle maneuvers.
Okay. How about you, Ricky Bobby? What do you think?
Well, you see, the track is kind of, it's worn down. So, you got rust in it, it's got holes in it, and we gotta fix all that. So, my plan is buy a tractor. That'll fix the problem.
I agree with the tractor. We should get a tractor, and we should upgrade the track. It'd be pretty dope.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Well, you're in two opposite parties. Why are you agreeing?
Why not?
Okay.
Tractor's a great.
Ricky Bobby, do you have any more thoughts what you could do?
Maybe a water truck, keep the dust down. I understand our neighbors get mad, but man, they're back to my life, man.
Okay.
You kind of just interrupted me.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Just keep going.
Crash.
Just keep going.
How about any ideas of trying to attract new people to the track?
New people. Why
Entertainment.
would we want new people at our track? I like it how it is. Just us. That's how it's great like that.
All right.
Both
So here's what we're gonna do. You guys are gonna leave in the comments who you think should win. And we'll post a video in a couple days showing the winner. Okay? So I'll make sure to look in the comments of this video and see who you think should win.
Nah, man.
That's it.